Okay, so the way I had all this stuff originally, this thing right here was plugged into this bottom outlet. This is the cord for the lamp. This cord was plugged into this bottom outlet, and this cord was plugged into the top outlet. The bottom outlet is controlled by this switch on the wall right here. Well, it's connected to it, you know. So before, if I turned the switch off on this lamp, then those lights would just shut off, right? But now, if I use the wall switch, the lights on this will shut off, you know. But now, since I have the pull station cord plugged into this one and the lamp plugged into this one, the only way that this will be able to turn off is if I just use these two switches here. See? Or if I wanted to do it a different way, I just use this remote to power the LED light. See? Now, since I have it that way, this is now plugged into the outlet that is connected to the wall switch. So, let me show you what that does. See, those are flashing like normal, but when I flip the wall switch, it's like a instant silence strobe off setting. This pull station is still activated. So you literally just have the strobes turned off while the pull station is still activated, and then I can reset the pull station like this, and then flip this back on, and the system now has full power again. So, figured I'd share that with you guys. If you like this, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.